Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add number counter for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they made is number counter. So let's click sign up for free. When you sign up for free, you want to sign with Gmail or Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you will have it, click login. Right here you will get to applications and you want to write number. And you're gonna see here number counter. So let's click it. And now you have option what kind of you want to do. You can go like online store, cleaning, numbers, really choose which one you like. Let's go like, I don't know, this one here or also this one. And now you can just like edit all the numbers, the title, the prefix, the postfix, the layout, how it looks like, everything. Then just click save. And right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your site, go with the light version. But if you are going to have 5,000 views or 50,000 views on your site, go with the pro or basic one. Let's go with light right now. And let's add the code. Let's paste the code here. Save and preview. And now you see it here. Perfect numbers counter for your HTML website. Quite easy. If you have any problems with adding it to your HTML, I recommend writing to L-Site support, and they will help you how you can do it. So that's it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.